This is a demonstration of the 257-308 USB radio interface. The 257-308 is designed to communicate with a variety of vehicles and interface with their control and entertainment systems, including the vehicle's HVAC systems and satellite radio. In this video, we will show an application that demonstrates the HVAC control capabilities of the 257-308. The 257-308 is connected to the HVAC system in a 2013 Ford Explorer. An Android-powered tablet is running a simple HVAC control app similar to a possible implementation on an aftermarket radio. We will now turn the HVAC system on and demonstrate the available controls.
First, we'll turn the system on. As you can see, the fans have started blowing.
Alright, now we're going to try the driver temperature on dual off mode, so we're going to adjust it all the way up. We can hold to bring it all the way up to full heat, or just click it and hold down for as cold as it'll go, to low.
You can also adjust the temperature dual zone. We can either press this button or we can just start adjusting the temperature and it will automatically go into dual mode. You can't see it, but this is much warmer.
Alright, we'll bring this one down, and now we can adjust the modes. Right now it's on face, so you can see these are blowing. We can have them go higher a little bit and we can see better, or bring them down. And now we'll show defrost. Alright, now we're going to change the mode to defrost and foot.
Now we'll switch to foot only. Finally, foot face. Now we'll turn on the air conditioning. Nice and chilly. We also have AC Max, which you may notice automatically turns on recirculation as well as sets it to full face. We also, in addition to recirculation, we can control the rear defroster as well as heated seats on both the driver and passenger side. We can also go into auto climate control mode. And if we adjust the desired temperature, the blower direction changes as needed. We also have controls for the rear zone of the vehicle. We can turn the rear power on and off. We can adjust the fan speed, low and high. We can also adjust the temperature of the rear zone. Hot and cold, or middle. Finally, we can give control of the rear zone to the control panel in the rear passenger compartment. This is a demonstration of the 257-308 controlling XM audio in a Chevy Tahoe. We can adjust the volume. We can adjust the channel. And as you can see, The channel metadata changes every time we change the channel.